Buya kigima umwanchi umulia beta seni ikia Ndizi TV ni wacharagire Chinsa Ikomi chiabo no marago basine yaliganire boikiranu okoretera amangana maya asenchera yo bwenye no kwasemere kwa nuna kwa berko gotwara obuligereria borobia na boigo kwegokeria emerobilio imegeta seni ikia Ndizi TV inyara Chinsa mochi chemitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense media YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asense moya website na bagotonya wetera www.ndizitv.net iretere Fridah Kerubo na chinse mochi chebiarkele ni gotokubatanere Joshua Auta toskato nyegera ngwira nanda segekeke kerebosio elinde ngomanye amange Mwanchi omurigereria ngo kwarigani bene elinde tosanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio Amayia yebire bigani ngo chakireme county ya Kisii asengo kumenya buna nigo omorobilio bokwenyara bali basiretie obugima bwabo chinga kicho korobekana obakogo korekana ase obugatagati bwomochi obosongo asaba menyikurwa sorwa ngo rwa Gusii sokya sobonge na bayogotongia emesuma okwana omunyekerogo obwo DM ondie kikerosi nigo aborya abanyanyimbo gotika gotumeka CHINGURU CHINYINGE chingaki abamenyi be county ya Kisii bagwesoke na boigo kwerera amagani abo gochya ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo boigo ainekebuna nigo bogima bogendete gokonga ase aganirie omorai bwense gotegerera ekereroki abakenya
Rosio ndikingorkwa echamani ya ODM na Azimio rero tuko document sana tore very sad asenga jo abantu baitetwe na abasigari bosa abantu abayiga barenge kwandamana bakoboria haki yabo obogima bwakongire nakibare kobori lakini abasigari bakabaka masasi bagaita abantu baito batato bakwete abane baito tamanye ti abane bari gitari abangi gotoko condemn that brutality today ogo te bagaki eserekali gotoko kwege de grace constitution ngatotare ngora mandamano ngora tore peaceful ingibago twakara masasi kombranja basigati abatiga mangana yi nonye parabuo basumbo gete onya to goro bosi 250 abaramu no bakora bo igoti gato bamu abantu ba Kenya tobori no moto tokobori orio monene moto orio monene tigato tebi na kiakora ni cost of living down
Chinga kiecho boigo ime county ya Nyamira muraibeki amagia ODM asensemo yabasae Dennis Marube nigo boigo amochiri abanyanyimbo asogotumeka CHINGURU CHINYINGE chinga kicho korobekana osangani getaseni kia Ndizi TV nigabaga kweneke buna nigo emerubilie gendeta so kunyara bali babete bagosiria obugima bwabo na boigo bali babete bagotigerwa chingoma chintindi ase chiwiki ibere chaitire magiga yo korobekana gokorekana
so litukulia lero mora aware uno musikira ila mona dinga achigete tosoke woki mesuma intwe bunorobaga rwa Nyamira especially as a county era allied to Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance ntoka ndate kuyaliga na Kerubo so that tokore candle lighting in respect of our people who are clobbered who are being beaten by the police au babiri bakwangaishwa n'abanyanyimbo ngasi nje yoko sokara bukuburi kireki yabo abana inchi abatalia makosa bakorete because era asiri chiko kuna abantu nabo bagosokara bu koreta mangana base serikali gwitira sokurubikana komorende lakini abanyanyimbo babiri bakorekana gutumia CHINGURU gwetanie kerengo asoko seberekania abana inchi bagocha mu kurubikana na kuburia yara yabo igori buriria na gucha serikali ya Kenya kwanza ndiringa bamingi most of meteri chiko moka understanding the constitution whatever about demonstrations and picketing inki geko gara abanyanyimbo bagotumeka CHINGURU gwetanie kerengo oseberekania bana inchi bagocha sumurubiri bo morembe kuburie kirekiabo
EKINA kebwateraneti orobebe imeyomochi okeroka nigo kigendete gotegererwa ase ekigambero gya keroka omonachi EKINA mugo kamau nerogendete kora ekinekyo ase orobo tirogendete korwegwa korwa ase ababisa bensemelia IEBC nabo igo bali babwate obumanyi bwo kurigereria amangana y'echimbebe.
Believes it's for recusal Yes, we are opposing that application.
You are?
We are opposing the application. We have filed a grounds of opposition in respect of that application. My Lord, with the issue of comments, I think we leave it during our submissions.
We are to seek clarification, and the petitioner directed that we will be commenting at the end of when we will be doing submissions.
Then there are the applications for study the reports by the IEDC and the National Land Commission and make written comments on the same within the next 14 days from that of June.
Omo MCA bwe wodi ya Kemera James Matinga nigo agendete n'omurubili bwogosio lya chi project imeye wodi yo okwana kurase kinyorugia getabo nigo alireira okora emirimo yaye bwikirano annamono kweneke buna abamenyi bonsi bensemeyo ngo enyorera bale amacha marunge nabayigo amakenonoku
lakini iliko liki ando
kuliki ayo erali ndaro setu
okujana inda macho kunakuruga ali direct na baforo ikoliki rais macha boleza
niko twachire na ba engineer bakuru ase department ya mache asogocha kuligereria e project ya macha ya kurugetabo na ndagenda Kemera amacha ya abeirega ase miaka menge korwa gachage tuno mo scale kioma 2002 mpaka 2007 na intumune county akaretwa chaka 2013 togacha amacha yakaba handed over gocha se county government togatema ko yakora renovation ntu atemeta kurusia amacha nderi ogaro egera soego jetangima lakini omo contractor ya etwe kola kananga akamusinya ntu tagete torra amacha ya toyamenta CHINGURU asijibesa tuabe getorra se financial yeye ya 2023-2024 chibese icho chiche chirosia machaya aruga egera saf Kemera
Omarobelio bokorwa amaegelio gochia ase abasubati nigo gendete gokorekana emeyo mubaganio yomo emeyo mochobosongo oyole inseyeli abuli lyo morobelio o Miss President agosanga kuruga wastinse mecho nigo babere bakweneke buna eyune nchire yamo yogosegeta abasubati nabigo kwenekia obokoreri obuya amatuko abusio asokweneke buna abasubati nkonyorera bali amabaga asoborai Omorai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigo aikirana asense ya Tanzania asege ikarogia baraikurwa sorgongo rwa Afrika eriko kwanera chinjira chinya GOKINIA uchumi okwana omorai kurwa sense ya Tanzania suluhu nigo aerera ekirenge kenene kige karikyo anamono asogosira abasaye nabigo kweneke binango basege tabali nabigo kobarua gose kwena na amaigelio asokweneke binango tuara obomanyi asibirengo isingencho yokogenderelia ense
na kuwakaribisha Tanzania. Natumai imepokelewa vyema na mmekirimiwa kwa mila na desturi zetu za Kitanzania. Karibuni sana. Vile vile nitumie fursa hii kuwashukuru waheshimiwa viongozi na washiriki wote kwa kubali mwaliko wangu na kuungana nasi katika mkutano huu muhimu unaobeba kauli mbiu inayosema kuchochea ukuaji wa uchumi Afrika, kuongeza uzalishaji wa vijana kupitia mafunzo na ujuzi, yani accelerating Africa's economic growth, boosting youth productivity by improving learning and skills. Waheshimiwa viongozi, tunakutana leo kujadili ajenda ambayo ndiyo moyo wa mataifa yetu. Uwekezaji katika rasilimali watu, hususan vijana. Mkutano wetu huu wa leo utaamua ni aina ipi ya uwekezaji unahitajika ili kuleta tija na kuchochea maendeleo ya bara la Afrika. Hakuna muda mwingine sahihi wa kujadili haya zaidi ya huu tulionao. Kwa kipindi cha zaidi ya muongo mmoja sasa, bara la Afrika limepitia ukuaji na uimarikaji mkubwa wa uchumi au chumi zake katika sekta tofauti. Hali hii ya ukuaji wa uchumi ilifanya bara kuja na misamiati kadhaa ikiwemo Africa is rising, lakini pia it's African century.
Chingaki abagosira obomo bwa azimio la umoja bagendete nemerobelyo nabayigo kurwa amagomba abo gochiase bali babete bagosiria obugima bwabo chingaki cyokorobekana abarayikorwa sobo mobo nigo babere bagosangirikana asensemo ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga emyomo chyo Nairobi asengencho yamasabo nabayigo ogotongia emisuma okwana omurayiwa bake asebunge Opio Endanyi nigabere gakorera emirobelyo yeli tukolia lero nabayigo amaganiabo ase ogoikerania amatuko abosio.
Today is a solemn occasion, very, very solemn and somber, as we remember all those Kenyan patriots who have lost their lives in the hands of the police or elements within the police service. We are also here today to empathize with those patriotic Kenyans who have been injured, who have suffered various forms of injuries and are lying in various hospitals across the country. We shall be sitting here to pray for them, to reflect on where we have come as a country, where we are and where we should be going as a country. There will be a short speech, of course, from the leadership of Azimio. We shall, of course, also be laying flowers in remembrance of those who have departed us, and lighting candles, yes, to commemorate this very, very special day, yes, in the history.
Abarai bechidini Amayia County ya Migori nigo baragire biara abanyanyimbo kubwatikana namabe ayoberega kwenekigwa anemono chingaki cyokorobekana okwana nigo baboli abanyanyimbo kubwatia lichiko abayigo kwenekebna ngo abale abakenya chingaki chinyororo asengencho yokorobekana.
Ya kuwa sisi kama vijana tuko na uchungu sana kwa sababu hii mauaji inalenga tu vijana wetu. Ukienda Kisumu, ukienda Siaya, ukienda Homa Bay na hapa Migori ndio watu wanauliwa na risasi.
Kiongozi wetu Raila Amolo Odinga aliomba sisi kama wafuasi wake sugu kwamba tujumuike pamoja kwa maombi kwa ajili ya watu wetu ambao walipigwa risasi na wale ambao waliuawa.
Kitendo cha kuua vijana sisi tunakilaani sana. Ukizingatia kwamba hao vijana walienda kwenye mgomo na hawakuwa na silaha. Sasa tunashindwa kuelewa ni vipi serikali inaweza ikajitokeza na kuweza kuchukua uhai wa hawa vijana.
Tinga kechio boigo aba MCA korwa ase county ya Homa Bay nigo bamochiri abanyanyimbo aso GOTUMEKA CHINGURU CHINYINGE chinga kechio bokoreri wabo kolende nigo baganire kyombegia aipo gokora obotuki na boigo kubaimokiria egetambukero bali babete bakorasa abakenya chinga kechio korobekana.
Unanimously agreed that whatever is taking place or whatever happened last week on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the excessive use of force by the police officers was not very good to them. And more so, arresting or profiling members of the county assembly to the extent that they lock us in our homes to make sure they wanted to make sure that they arrest all of us. That is against the constitution of Kenya.
So the police should do their work. The IG of the police should come out. The National Police Service, the IPOA should come out and deal with the police who are actually killing our people. And the police should take action to people who go against the law. But people who are demonstrating peacefully, the police should allow us to demonstrate. Thank you.
Independent police oversight authority must come into this matter. The local police who are involved in killing our people must be brought to book, and this house must ensure this happens.
That the National Police Service shall, one, strive to the highest standards of professionalism and discipline and amongst its members. Did we see that in what was happening?
Umarikyo botambe ase wizara yoburendi Dr. Raymond Omolo nigo akorire taro yaye asinka iyo mugambi asensemo ya bondo yobeteka gusambirwa enyumba yaye chingaki cyokorobekana usanga nabaliki bamangana nigo abagakomochia bali bagendete gusalia ebinto chingaki cyokorobekana asane kibuna nigo barabe bakwimukirwa egetambukiro kibwenerete.
I believe the rest of the chiefs, particularly in this region or this particular Bondo sub-county, may be afraid that they might be the next target. 11 of our police stations were attacked by demonstrators last week. We had 48 police officers who were injured during that time. We had 17 members of the public who were attacked or injured.
We have had a series of actions that have raised the temperatures in the country, but more so in this region. And in the process, we've had loss of lives, we've had destruction of property, and we are at a point where we need to ask ourselves the very difficult questions whether that is the way we want to continue as a country or not. And if you're a country that is democratic, that abides by the rule of law, then we must be able to bring back sanity and insist that we follow the law.
Mwancho murigereria korwa soro botioroni ona ikire omoelio bwa mangana ya asebirebiga kurinde toska tonyigerage koraga ensa eyamo ayona mange nyara senchira yobekiranu nyara sinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bako tonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bako tonyara gwetera www.ndizitv.net Magech kamera soko nekibna ebicha na boigo eliogi ya gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere John Kebatito beto kubatenere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiorokelio nancheriane Fridah Kerubo toska tonyegera papa sikongo chale asegekeke Kerubo sio singincho koletera omorobilio wechingero twara oboligerelia borobia.